Go Kicks YouTube channel out in San Bernardino. This used to be the Shoe Palace clearance store. Definitely not a clearance store anymore, but some of the Shoe Palaces had really good deals, so I thought I'd stop by here. And these slow moving stores are interesting because they got everything. This store has everything. I think this store might have more Jordan releases than almost any other store I've seen. And these slow moving stores are interesting because they got everything. This store has everything. I think this store might have more Jordan releases than almost any other store I've seen. And yeah, they still have the Cardinal 7s. Not on sale yet though. They got the Fear 3s, $210 for those. They got these mother lovers right here, the Jordan 1 Royal Evo Imagine. Look, they got these. What the hell? Cardinals? How do they have Cardinal 3s, first of all? First of all, why aren't they on sale? But how do they still have these here? That is insane. 2 bills for these. The Brotherhoods, you know, I don't think that's too big of a surprise. Satin breads, not a huge surprise. But the Skyline Jordan 1s, that's definitely a surprise. The fact that it's on sale as well, $100 for these bad boys, that is pretty crazy. And they got Lows, plenty of Lows, $110 for these. Lows, more Lows. Jordan 2s right here. Dude got these bad boys for $150 Christmas. I think this is a Christmas color, right? And then got these as well. The bread toes, I remember people going crazy for these. Still got the 4s as well. I'm surprised to see that they got the 4s. Most places are sold out. We got the Volt Jordan 1 highs as well. How the hell do they still have these? This is a huge size. And this is the Jordan I haven't seen anywhere. Jordan 3s. This is the Midnight Navy, going for 2 bills. I haven't seen these anywhere. That is just a hell of a surprise. The fact that they still have these. These are clean as hell too. And they got the Jordan 1 low OGs right here. Then of course got the 5s, 13s, Jordan 1 high OGs right here. These on sale? No, $180 for those. Jordan 2 UNCs right here, going for $150. $160 for the Jordan 7. What is this? The Afro Beats? Is that the one? And then $100 for the Jordan 11 low IEs. I'm telling you, that might be one of the best Jordan collections that I've seen in a long time. Then Airmore Up Tempos going for $100. Got this weird color one as well. 2 different colors on both sides. I thought that was weird. $100 for those. And these not on sale yet. Still $85 for these bad boys right here. Got these Air Force. I don't think I've ever seen these. $70 for these. Like a shadow for men's. Oh, these are women's. Okay. Yeah, all the shadows have been for women's. Then been seeing a ton of these blazers on sale. There's Air Max 270s, 97s, 22s for $100. Jumbo, blazer jumbos as well. And look at these all white Prestos, clean as hell for $40. $40 freaking dollars. That is pretty crazy. Probably one of the cheaper Prestos we've seen on the channel. What the hell? What the hell? They still got these here? How do they still have these? I haven't even seen these in forever. These are the Adapt shoes right here. That auto lace and stuff like that. These started off at $400 and then they came out with newer ones doing $250 for this model. I missed one of these. So they were like clearancing them out the outlet for like $30-40. I missed one. I was so mad. Dang it. I did have the Adapt BBs, one of the OG ones, and yeah, it broke. So I sent it back to Nike. Got some skate lows right here going for $30. Pretty cheap. Vans right here. Look at this. This don't get much cheaper than this. $20. $20, really? Then got a few more going for 40, 30, 40 right here. This one's not bad for $40. And then of course they do have these J's in the women's section right here, as well as the Mars yards. I haven't seen these in forever. Can't believe they still have these. 6.5 right here on display. Jordan 1 OG right here. Oh my goodness. I can't believe they still have all these UNC to Chicago's. 2 bills for these. Who had these on sale? Oh, I think it was Chic. They had those for hella cheap. Got these mids right here going for $80. Air Max 90 down to $50 for the women. Blazer lows right here. Air Max 1. Dang, normally 140 down to 80 bucks. Not too bad. Air Max 97. Mostly patent leather. $75, yo. 75 bucks. 50 for those. Air Max 270s right here. 80 for this colorway. I'm telling you, you guys need to stop by some of the slower volume stores. All you Asics lovers, you got the gel Quantums right here. I thought these were the 360s. Quantum 360s, yeah, that's what they're. Quantum 360s, 50 freaking dollars. These are comfy as hell. This is a women's right here. They are pretty heavy because gel is just not the lightest material, but super comfy. I do have a couple of those. $50, hella cheap because I think these go for like 160 or something like that. Right above that, Cayano's going for $50. So Shoe Palace does not have a clearance store anymore, but you know, the slower moving stores, they're pretty much clearance stores. They do price everything to get the hell out of here. Mason article, all black hoodie, super soft. This is newer one, so you know the newer stuff. They don't really have the drawstring and stuff like that. They just have a button up top. $20, normally $30. The Mason article stuff is super high in quality. I'm not gonna lie. Look at this, pullovers for $10. $10, super freaking soft. Too, like, this is decent stuff, man. Bunch of different Mason article jackets right here, $20. Camo pants going for 10 bucks. This is pretty thin, but still not bad. Even got jackets for $40. Not bad materials. Pretty nice. These are normally 70. Got more hoodies up here, 35 down to 20 bucks. Definitely worth a look. Another one go for $40. Adidas section here is pretty freaking insane. Pretty clean NMDs right here. Remember, you get full box and everything. $40. $40 for the good NMDs, the V1s pretty much. Got these down to $50. $50 for these as well. I know you guys seen them in the background. Do got those right there, the forums, supposedly super ridiculously limited. But yeah, man, people weren't digging them. And Shoe Palace did a terrible job of promoting them. $50, dude, $50. I doubled up on these. I like these so much. Another NMD right here, down to $50. Forums right here, $50. These are 100 still, I believe. And these are 40 bucks for those. OG Stan Smith's going for $40 right here. Now look at this. Yeezy 350s. Yeezy 350s right here for $230. I haven't seen Yeezys almost anywhere. I think a couple of JDs, then some Shoe Palaces, and that's it. But still got them right here. That is crazy. And they still got these as well. The Shoe Palace forums right there. $60 for those. That's a hell of a good price, especially with that premium material. None of the Jordan Hydros on sale yet. 4 different colorways. Got the 8s right there, the playoff 8s. Got the Lightnings. Haven't seen those in a long time. The Lightning 4s. You got the Gratitudes and then the Cherry 11s right there. So we've seen a few things we haven't seen anywhere. Cardinal 3s right there. Also got the Midnight Navy 3s. Haven't seen that pretty much anywhere, and I do go to a lot of stores. Definitely worth stopping, you guys. Make sure you guys hit this place up if you happen to be in the area. Do got deals like this, $20 Nike t-shirts and stuff like that. 30 right here. Like, technically it's not a clearance store, like I said, but stuff moves so slowly here that it pretty much is. Show you guys some of the last Mason article stuff. Told you their material is just super nice. This right here, I'm a big fan of this right here. I don't really smoke like that, but you know, like, material is just really nice. $10 for those. $10 Jurassic Park shirts right there. Got a bunch of weed ones for 10 bucks as well. And all their WWE stuff, $10 freaking dollars, normally 30. Got a bunch of the classic guys as well, if that's what you're into. Got medium, large. Got double XL right here with Bret the Hitman Hart right there. So definitely got stuff right there. NWO merch right here, going for 30. If you're patient, all this stuff will go on sale. You know, but that's pretty much about it, you guys. These gel light 3s right here, pretty dope for $40. You serious? This is a size 10 right here, and I think these fit a little bit tight, so I would have to go to 10 and a half. That is freaking dope. $40 for those. That's crazy. Got some suedes going for 40. Then they still got these. Are you serious? Look at the price. 40 freaking dollars. They got these right here. Man, I'm a fan of the material too. I don't really wear pink like that, but $40 for questions. That is fire. Holy cow. And they still got these. I hadn't seen these anywhere. I think this is like, oh, it's a Chinatown Market collab with Converse. I haven't seen these anywhere else. Guarantee they're on sale. There's no price tag though, but guarantee they're on sale. All right, make sure you guys stop by. Definitely worth checking out. If you happen to be in the Inland Empire, say what's up, man. Apparently got a cookie store right around the corner. Didn't know they have their own store out here in San Bernardino. Another slow-moving shoe palace. I think this one's open till 8, which is kind of crazy. Hitting out the Van Nuys location. Let's check out the Jordan releases, and then we'll also check out what's on sale over here. Okay. They still do got the Midnight Navy 3s here as well. Size 10.5. I was hoping to find these at the outlets. And I have not seen these being returned like that. And when I say I want to find stuff at the outlet, I'm not expecting these to show up in like full-size runs. I'm just hoping someone returns them. And then I can get it for 30% off. Yeah, these ain't bad, dude. These ain't bad at all. Still do got the Fear 3s right here. Got the 7s going for $140. 312s. Am I still coughing? Holy crap. At 11s. Ooh, this is one of the few places. Wow, this is one of the only stores that still has these. Wow, that is surprising. That is surprising. 8.5 on display. That's way surprising. I haven't seen these anywhere. Still got the 8s as well. 1 OGs. And we've seen these on sale in plenty of spots. And then got a sleuth of 1s. Just a ton of them. 115. Is that what they're going for now? Got the satin breads. If you guys missed out on these, 180 for these bad boys. Kind of regret not buying those at the outlets. I did grab one of these at the outlets. Wait, then I returned them, and then I got them cheaper at freaking Chic, which is crazy. They still got them, which is nuts. They got the 1s, 2s, and then even these 6s. Surprised to see these here. $2 for these. Then seeing if they have any of the crazy Ultra Boost deals. No, not really. They got the 4s. You've seen plenty of these. You've seen these 4s for $50 everywhere. That's just hella cheap. The Lab, is that their sales items? They got a lot of sales products right here. Checking back with the men's. Got Force 88s. The Full Force, my bad. Full Force right here. Got Hirachis, 70 and $80. 70 for the Zoom Freak 5s. 270s right here. 97s right here. Decent price. Alright, not as crazy as the San Bernardino location. Obviously that's crazy far, but they do have these here, which is kind of insane. As well as the Gratitudes. They got some interesting stuff, man. Got interesting stuff if you guys weren't able to come up on a few releases. And then they still have all these Adidas and stuff on sale as well. Alright, that's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty much about it.